If you are constantly watching cooking videos, saving recipes, even experiment at home, but still feel like you're not improving, this video is for you. Because I've seen this again and again. People who love cooking, but they stay stuck. So I will explain why and what to do instead. And listen, I have been in the exact same position. Before I started cooking professionally, I was watching every TV show, every online tutorial, every chef competition. But my cooking, still average at the best. My friends and family love my food, but when I compare it to real chefs, I knew something big was missing. Don't even talk about creativity or plating. Those were completely blind spots for me. So here is the truth, and it might sting a little. Loving cooking is not enough to actually get better. I see people who are super motivated. They follow Michelin star chefs, save hundreds of Instagram reels, buy expensive ingredients, but their food still looks the same, still feel amateurish, still has that something missing vibe. Why? Because motivation without direction is useless. You cannot improve if you don't know what to improve. Think about it. If you don't know why your plating looks flat, if you don't understand what balance actually means in the plate, if no one tells you what's wrong and how to fix it, then all the practice in the world won't help you grow. Here is the most common pattern I see with home cooks. They watch a video, they try to copy the dish, and then they move to next one. But they never stop and ask, why did the chef choose this sauce? What would happen if I change the texture? How do I actually design my own plates from scratch? So instead of learning how to think like a chef, they just become recipe robots. They are collecting techniques, not building skills. And that's not their fault. That's how most of us learned, from social media, cookbooks, or random inspiration. But that's not how the real growth works. Let me tell you something from my own journey. When I worked in Michelin star kitchens, we didn't just copy plates, we deconstruct them. Every dish had a reason. Why that shape? Why that height? Why that sauce texture? Why that negative space? And we had consistent feedback from chefs, from colleagues. Every day, every plate was a lesson. And that's how you grow. Not by copying, but by understanding. And most importantly, by getting feedback and learning what you missed. If you feel stuck right now, it doesn't mean you're not talented. It just means you have reached the limit of what solo practice can give you. What you need is a structure, so you're not randomly jumping from trend to trend. Real feedback from someone who has been there and sees what you can't. And a long-term plan, not just another recipe, but a system that builds your skills over time. And no, YouTube cannot give you that. Neither can Instagram. They are great for inspiration, but they won't take you beyond where you are now. So if you're serious about improving, and I mean really improving, not just collecting cool recipes, then maybe it's time we talk. I do personalized coaching for cooking enthusiasts who wants to learn fine dining techniques the right way. From the ground up, we don't just plate pretty dishes. We build your fundamentals, your understanding, your own style. And no, it's not for everyone. It takes effort. It takes consistency. But with the right guidance, you can learn in a few months what took me over the decade to figure out. What most amateurs struggle for a lifetime, you can master with the right structure and support. You can find the link below to apply, and we will see if it's good fit. Also, let me know in the comments what your biggest struggle right now with cooking or plating, because I read everything and maybe I will even turn your question into a full video. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, I will see you personally soon.